So, just done with my meditation this morning. Quick one. I often get the question, why do spirits need sacrifices? Why do spirits need rituals? Everything is energy. I am an energy called Chibueze. I am an energy called Chibueze. I am not a human being or whatever. A human being is a ball of energy anyways, so I am an energy called Chibueze. If you wanted to worship me, to respect me, because it's respect, if you wanted to respect my energy, you would make a sacrifice to me. You would offer me a gift, something nneli. You offer me energy, because you sacrificing to me is you are giving me energy as well that I like, and I would accept it because it's a form of respect. Instead of just talk, you could, not instead of, compared to just talk, maybe I could be in a state where what I need is talk, and you could give me talk, and it will be the highest form of gift. Otherwise, you could ajebe ifu odogo akpule efi, right? Only if you go jemife. So just the same way when you're going to a deity, you take forms of energy. For example, your mother is a deity, Ogugu, the portal of your creation, the portal through which this ball of energy came out for this incarnation. When you're going to her, you take a gift. You want her energy to be pleased. You want her energy to know that you thought about her in a thoughtful way. When you're going to her, you don't take frogs, because she does not eat frogs. When you go to her, you don't take something bad and unpleasant to her energy. You take something that pleases her energy. Even if she's not properly aligned to the universe and she's in a bad energy state where she likes things that are maybe that fuck with her energy, people will still take those things to their mother. For example, maybe she has a dispensation to liking sugar, which is going to lead to her sugar level being distorted and fuck with her energy, right? Diabetes. But people will still take sweet things to their mother because they know this is what will make her happy. You won't take bitter cola, or you won't take stuff that is healthy, right, to her. So when you're going to Ogugu, the Ogugu that you know in person, you go with presence. So when you're now going to the actual deity, to the actual energy, the pure energy that is not tainted by human matrix interactions and dealings and things like that, why won't you take energy to her? Because blood is a life force. It is the number one currency in this world. Blood is, there is no currency above blood. When you have an issue, you run around because of your blood. So when you're going to a deity, what you take is blood, because that is the highest form of energy, the purest form of energy. Maybe you can take mangoes or fruits or something, maybe for a significance, but I don't know. In my Igbo people, the way our ancestors, our wise ancestors did it, people were doing crazy things before civilization. before known civilization, they were doing rainmaking and shit. Right? The way they did it in their wisdom was to use blood. Ijabi ifo dowi ulefi. No eweli ife eji kwenkili or on when you use an antelope skin to make a drum, the sound will be sonorous. Yeah, so these are my quick musings for this morning. Throughout my meditation this morning, I used Holy Muse. I put Holy Muse and it helped. It helps in meditation. You might think you've been going for 5 minutes, but you've been going for an hour. You are in the flow. You are able to close out external noise and focus on thinking about things that are not lack and scarcity. You're able to process it in your head. You're able to use Holy Muse for a meditation and see. Cheers.